how are you? Today I want to explain what is the process to take my courses and what is the content of my website. If you enter in my website www.mtt.edu, you will find a lot of material. You find the books in two formats, in a PDF form and in a hard copy form. And also you find the courses and the programs and other services like remote assistance with me. Okay, when you check the courses are courses of 4 weeks that you can take completely online or in a blended mode. In a blended mode is because you have the chance to take laboratories with me some days of the week, especially for people that live in South Florida. If you live out of the country or in other city different than Florida, the recommendation is try to take the courses completely online because it's the only way to do that. The online courses are excellent. I have in this moment more than 500 students in different parts of the world taking my courses, and those students they follow the classes, they follow the videos in our learning platform. As soon as you register to take a course in our learning platform, you have access to the courses, to the videos, to the books, and immediately you are enrolled in the course, you can see the curriculum, and you can see the instructor and the material. In the option material, you make a click, and you have access to the books in a PDF form. Alright, and when you check the curriculum, you can see all the videos, all the quizzes, and you can enter and start the course in the moment that you want. This is the advantage. You can take the course in your own time, and in your time, you don't need to connect with me face to face at any specific time. You see the videos in your moment, and you solve the quizzes in your time, and you advance. The recommendation is that I try to cover 2 chapters per week. All the courses follow the books. We have more than 12 books. All the topics in the marine industry are covered in my books. Each course is following a book. It's simple. You follow the course, 2 chapters per week. If you have questions, you do a conversation by Zoom or by WhatsApp, and we have a great conversation about your progress, your advance in the course. When you finish the course, if you have more than 80% in the final grade, you receive the diploma and the certification. And also, at the end of each course, you will be prepared to take the ABYC certification corresponding for that course. The price of the ABYC certification is not included in the price of the course. I am going to prepare you to take the certification, but the price is independent. You need to pay directly in ABYC the value of the certification. Of course, we have a special discount because our academy, Marine Technical Training Academy, is authorized by ABYC to prepare students. Okay, guys, this is the proper way to take the courses, to take the program. There are courses organized in programs. Why? Because, for example, the electrical courses, they are organized in program, the electrical program. In the electrical program, you have some advantage. The most important is that the price is less because you paid less, basically the price of 2 courses for the entire program. This is a great discount. And also because you follow the sequence, the DC, and after that AC current, and after that marine electronics. Each course is designed to be taken in 4 weeks. 4 weeks for laboratories. Okay, and you can do that one in your own time, in your boat, in your house. You cover 2 chapters per week, and at the end of the 4 weeks, you are ready to take the final exam, and you are ready to receive your diploma and your certification. And after that, you continue with other courses. This is the process. I recommend for different scenarios, start with the electrical program. After that, you can continue with the auxiliary system, air condition, diesel engine, gasoline engine, transmissions, corrosion, composite material, marine generators. But the electrical courses are the fundamental, are the basis of this curriculum. Okay, guys, if you have more questions, write me at info@mrlopezclasses.com or call me in this WhatsApp. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoy this program and I hope you enjoy our website.